Our next type of salt, we are saying we have a basic salt. So that's number 3, basic salt. So in Form 1, we learned about bases, and we said bases. How do you identify bases? All bases are identified by the presence of hydroxide ion. So for that reason, when you're defining a basic salt, it means a basic salt is the one that contains a replaceable hydroxide ion. So we are saying, what is a basic salt? So a basic salt is a salt that contains a hydroxide ions. Of course, the formula is that. So basic salts are identified by the presence of hydroxide ions. So what about examples? So the first example, we are saying, e.g., we have basic zinc chloride. Basic zinc chloride, this is the formula. We have ZnOH and then Cl. So now we are saying this salt is called a basic salt because of the presence of hydroxide ions. Another example is basic magnesium what? Chloride. So the formula is MgOH then Cl. So we are saying this one is also classified as a basic salt because of the presence of hydroxide ion. So we are saying a basic salt is identified by the presence of hydroxide ions.